Hi everyone, this is Toiba from Toy Slab Creations. Today I'm going to be making this lovely baby skirt. You can see the ruffles that this skirt has. It's a very simple skirt, it's very beginner friendly. So for this project, I'm going to be needing 5.0mm hook and a DK weight yarn. I don't have a DK weight yarn, so I'm going to be using this yarn here. I'm going to be doubling it to make up for a DK weight. So to start this project, I'm going to make a slip knot and then make a chain of 60. So go ahead and complete your chain of 60. I'll join you when I'm through with mine. So I've made my chain of 60, so I'm going to connect it in the round. Make sure that you do not twist your chain. So I'll connect it in the round, the slip stitch, and then chain 2. This chain 2 does not count as a stitch. Then I'm going to make a double crochet into the first chain of the round, double crochet into that, and double crochet into the next one. Just keep making a double crochet in each chain all the way around. At the end of this round, we should have a total of 60 double crochets. So go ahead and finish round 1. I will join you when I'm through with mine. So I've gone around with double crochets. I have 60 double crochets. I've made double crochet into each chain, so I have 60 double crochet in total. So I'm going to complete the round by making a slip stitch into the first double crochet of the row. So going on to the next round now, I'm going to chain 2 and then make a front post double crochet around the first double crochet from the previous row. Make a front post double crochet around that, and then a back post double crochet around the next double crochet. Then I'll make a front post double crochet again, and then another back post double crochet. I'll just keep alternating front post and back post double crochet till I get to the end of the round. So go ahead and finish yours. I'll go on to finish mine. So I'm about to complete round 2. I've gone around this front post and back post double crochet. So the last one is a back post double crochet. I'm going to slip stitch to the first stitch of the row, and then I'm going to chain 2 to start round 3, and then I'll make a front post around the previous front post double crochet from round 2, and then a back post double crochet around the back post from the previous round. So I'm going to keep alternating front post and back post, basically repeating round 2. So keep doing yours, and I'll join you when I'm done with mine. So I'm about to complete round 3. I've done the last double crochet, which is a back post double crochet. So I'm going to slip stitch to the first stitch of the round. So with that, we have finished the waistband. So to start the upper part of the skirt, I'm going to chain 2 and make a double crochet into the first stitch. Remember, the chain 2 does not count as a stitch. So that's the first double crochet of the round. So make a double crochet into the next stitch and keep making a double crochet in each stitch around. So at the end of round 4, you should have 60 double crochets. So go ahead and complete round 4, and I'll join you when I'm through with mine. So I'm about to complete round 4. I've made 60 double crochet around. So I'm going to finish the row with a slip stitch to the first double crochet of the round, and then I'll move on to round 5. Chain 2. The chain 2 does not count as a stitch. I'm going to make a double crochet into the first stitch and into each stitch around. So basically I'm repeating round 4, and so you're going to repeat round 4 for 6 more rounds. So basically just go around making double crochet into each stitch, and I will join you at round 10. So just go ahead and make 6 more rounds of round 4, and I will join you when I'm through with mine. So I'm at round 10 now. So I'm about to finish off round 10. I'm going to finish it with a slip stitch to the first double crochet of the round. So from this point now, I want to start the lower part of our skirt, the ruffle. So to start that now, I'm going to chain 2. Remember, this chain 2 does not count as a stitch, and then make 3 double crochets into the first stitch. 1, 2, and 3. So into the next stitch, make 3 double crochets to 1, 2, and 3. So basically I'm just going to make 3 double crochets into each stitch around. Since we had 60 double crochets before, so that will be 60 times 3. At the end of this round, you should have a total of 180 double crochets. So go ahead and make 3 double crochets into each stitch around. I will join you once I'm sure it's mine. So I've gone around making 3 double crochet into each stitch. You can see what the ruffle looks like so far. So I'm going to complete the round with a slip stitch into the first double crochet, and then for round 12 I'm going to chain 2 and make a double crochet into the first stitch and a double crochet into each stitch around. So I'll just go ahead and make 1 double crochet into each stitch around, and I'll come back to show you what it looks like at the end of this round. At the end of round 12 we should have a total of 180 stitches. So go ahead and finish while I finish mine. So I'm almost through with round 12 now, so I'll just slip stitch to the first double crochet to finish the round. I'm going to chain 2 to move on to the next round and make a double crochet into the first stitch. This is round 13 now, and a double crochet into each stitch around. So at the end of row 13 to have 160 double crochets. So basically I'm repeating round 12. So I'm going to repeat round 12 for 7 more rounds. So just continue going around with double crochet, finish round 13, then do 6 more rounds after round 13. So I will join you at round 19 and show you what to do next. So I'm at row 19 now, and I'm about to finish the round. So I'm going to make a slip stitch into the first double crochet of the round. To finish off the round, chain 1, and that's the end of the skirt. I've already cut my yarn, so I've finished the skirt now. The next thing to do now will be to make a chain to pass through the waistband here. So I'm going to make a chain of 130. So make your slip knot and make a chain of 130. Once we are through with making the chain, we just pass it around the waistband to so that we can use it to tie the skirt. So go ahead and finish your chain, and then I'll come back to show you what my final piece looks like. So I've tied my waistband with the chains that I made. I made a chain of 130, and I've weaving my ends. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you do, please subscribe to my channel and make sure to put on the notification bell so you get notified when I upload new tutorials. Thank you for watching. Bye.